Your oral exam is around the corner. You want to do well. You want to impress. But you're nervous. We know. Here are our golden tips to help you shine like the star you are.
Tip number 1. Nail that first impression. Create an impact with your appearance and demeanor. Be sure you look neat and fresh. Your uniform is well ironed and tucked in. Your shoes are clean and white. Your socks rise above your ankles. Your hair is neat, short, or tied up. Be sure you look confident, walk tall, and sit straight in front of the examiner. Be sure to smile and appear cheerful. Do not look deadpan, bored, or tired. Try not to look nervous, even if you are. Take deep breaths. Be respectful. Greet your examiners.
Good morning, teachers.
Ask for permission to sit down.
May I take a seat?
Yes, good morning. Come, please take a seat.
Thank you.
Put your hands on your lap, or if you wish, you may hold onto the reading passage and picture. However, do not let it cover your face. Keep your elbows off the table. If you are going to gesture, keep any gesturing within your shoulder width. The examiners want you to do well. No teacher wants to fail a student. There will be fierce-looking ones, but there are also friendly-looking ones. It should not matter. They want to help you. Use your superpower, smile, and be the adorable child you are.
Tip number 2. Read with confidence and gusto. When reading, you do not need to look at the examiners. But when I read, I would always make sure I start strong. I would also make sure I read with energy, excitement, and emotion. Do not be lackluster. Do not be monotonous
and sound like a robot.
Watch your full stops and come down on your inflections. Let me show you how I would do it. Good morning, everyone. For show and tell today, I've brought along 2 postcards of the Jodi River. They are my grandfather's prized possessions because they are possibly a century old. Good morning, everyone. For show and tell today, I've brought along 2 postcards of the Jodi River. They are my grandfather's prized possessions because they are possibly a century old. Tip number 3. Engage your examiners in your conversation. Number 1. Organize your ideas. Make sure your examiners can follow what you are saying. If you learned trees or Oreo in school, follow that structure. Or if you have learned our arose plus peel structure, use it. Number 2, be excited when you're conversing with your examiners. Be confident and look at them when you speak. Number 3, be willing to invite them into your conversation. Let me show you how Teacher Algene would do it using this picture.
Thank you, Algene. Now we're moving on to the similar space conversation. I want you to look at this picture. What do you think the people in the photograph are doing?
In the photograph, I can see what is most likely a teacher teaching a young boy about the world. I think teaching children about the world is important because it teaches them about geography and about the different cultures of countries around the world. After talking about the 2 points that you had mentioned, it is now time for your story. The story is where you can engage your examiners even more. Do you know that this reminds me of a time when I shared a chassi pao with my Muslim classmate of mine? At that time, I did not know that Muslims could not consume pork. And so when I offered to share my pao with him, he looked offended. I went home immediately and told my mother about it and asked her why. That was when she told me that his cultural and religious practices forbade him from consuming pork. I was so embarrassed when I heard that, and I could not wait to just go back to school to apologize to him. This incident highlighted to me the importance of knowing about cultures of the world. In a nutshell, I think the teacher in the photograph is teaching the young boy about the world. I think this is important because it teaches children about culture and also about geography. So there you have it, our golden tips to help you shine like the star you are for your oral examination. Good luck and all the best.